Now, one more question. Find the interval in which the function given by fx is equals to 4x cube minus 6x square minus 72x plus 30 is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Let us discuss. First step. Now see this question. It is a question important because this question is a complete base of exercise how to attempt the question. First step. Find out the derivative of the function. If something is common, then take common. After that, factorize it and keep that factor equals to 0 and find the value of x. Remember, this is the first step to take the derivative and kept the derivative equals to 0 to find the value of x. Now second step, to make the interval, whatever the value you get minus 2 and 3, the two value. Kept these two value in between minus infinity and plus infinity. Remember that the number of intervals is always one more than the number of value of x. You observe here two value of x and you will observe that you will get the three interval. First interval from minus infinity to minus 2, second interval from 2 to 3, and third interval from 3 to infinity. First from minus infinity to 2, second from 2 to 3, third from 3 to infinity. Remember, the number of critical points, whatever you get, the number of intervals is always one more than that critical point. Now, regarding to this interval, we check the behavior of the function f dash x. F dash x actually having the three terms: 12, x minus 3, x plus 2. I write down here 12, x minus 3 and x plus 2, and I want to check the behavior of each function during that interval. Minus infinity and minus 2. Let us substitute any value which is less than minus 2. For example, minus 3. This 12 having no effect with the minus 3, it remains as such positive. When we substitute minus 3 here, minus 3 minus 3 minus 6, result is negative. Minus 3 plus 2, result is negative. No need to go for calculation, only take care of symbol whether the result is positive or negative. Now this negative into negative, positive into positive, make the result positive. The function is increasing, strictly increasing. Now one value between minus 2 and 3, let us suppose that minus 1 is taken. Minus 1, this 12 having no effect, minus 1, it makes the result negative. Minus 1 plus 2, it makes the result positive. So positive, negative, positive multiplication, so it will become negative result. Function is strictly decreasing. Again 3 to infinity, let us suppose 4. In case of 4, it is positive, it is positive. Positive into positive, result is positive. So function is increasing. We observe the function is increasing in the 2 points. So let us join the result with the help of union. Strictly increasing from minus infinity to minus 2 and from 3 to infinity, and strictly decreasing from minus 2 to 3.